So you ripped your molding off your Jeep Liberty, or in this case, my mom accidentally backed up into a mailbox and ripped this right off. Now she came to me and was like, I need to buy a new molding, and I'm like, no you don't. You don't need to buy a new molding, just give it to me, I'll take care of it. So if you're in this predicament, I'm going to show you exactly how to put it back on, replace it, whatever. It's pretty simple. You just need a few clips. There's 3 different style clips here. It has these like gray plastic ones, these pop rivet style clips, and then another special clip here, which I will show you in just a little bit. So in most cases when these rip off, it's the clips that break. As you can see, that's broken there, that's broken there, and these actually fell off. They were completely broken, so I don't have them to show you. But usually that's what breaks, not the molding itself. And even if the molding itself breaks, I mean, depending on your car, if you need it perfect, buy a new molding. Like this one's a little bit scratched up, and you're not gonna get rid of that. So if you have a brand new car, yeah, you may have to buy a new molding. But in this case, it's a daily driver. It's kind of like a beater car. It's over 20 years old. It already has its blemishes and battle scars. So there's really no reason to replace the molding. And then honestly, it's plastic. It doesn't need that much. So as you can see right here at this clip, well, it's kind of hard to see, but it actually did break right here. So the molding actually did crack over here, but it's so minor. All these will hold on. You don't need to replace it for one small crack. Even if 2 of these was cracked, I mean, this is somewhat misshapen, but you know what? That's not going to be a problem. So now they do sell a replacement clip fastener kit on Amazon, which I will have a link. Anyway, I will have a link down in the description below to this exact little clip set that I bought, and actually ships right in this box section. What do they call it? 55-piece Fenders mounting clips, whatever. But it ships just in this bag, and here it is. You just have all these different clips. So we've got these gray ones, which you saw, and they do have a little like washer, rubber washer, which you can see they're actually left over on this old one here. And then these are the little plastic pop rivets. And then this is actually the other clip that I showed you that was like torn off. So first thing you want to do, clean it up if you want to clean it up, and remove all the old damaged clips. So up here, you can kind of see how it connects. So this is just a straight open hole that'll come right through, but then it's got a couple tabs that clip into here. And if we look at the clip itself, you can kind of see this is all open. It's only solid in the middle here. These tabs are only on this side. So you can kind of see that you lift it up. So really all you have to do is lift these ends up and it should pop right out. Or at least that's what I think. So, because I haven't done this before. Oh yeah, see, I'm just gonna pop that out. And actually, you don't even really need pliers. You can really just use your fingers here. Or just crack it like that. Whatever. Looks like that is being a little stubborn, so I just grab pliers and that pulls right out. These actually, not really any stress marks. I'm just gonna leave these in there because, you know, they're still good. They work, they're fine. I mean, it's a 20-year-old car, so. All right, those are out. So let's put 2 new ones in, and yeah, there's not really, they're the same side, so it doesn't matter if you put it in this way or this way. It's gonna be exactly the same. Just snap that in like that. And you know what, I lied, because I am missing these little washers. Well, there's one there, but it's old, it's being reused. So you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and yank these off too. And actually, look, this just twist right off. All right. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new clips there. Now we need 2 black ones here, which, as you can see, these go through here. The 2 black ones go there into the bumper molding. And same thing, there's really no left or right like this. It's reversible. So that just snaps in. And that snaps in. All right, so we got new clips there. And now these, you don't want to pre-install these because these are gonna kind of go through the holes here. So remove any old ones, but don't pre-install these. Okay, now once you got your molding clips done, then check and remove. I don't expect those pop rivets to be there because they would have had to come off with the molding. These are gone. And then we got clear, 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 just that old washer. And this actually has the old clip in it. Just be careful because this is a painted surface. So it dinged out a little bit, but it's all good. So again, just be careful. If you have painted surface, use some kind of like a rag, piece of plastic, something to just protect painted surface. But here, not a big deal. And then with that, just line it up. Just like that there. And here you can kind of see, there we go. I had to kind of pull on it to get that to line up. Okay, so that is popped back on. So all we have left is these little pop rivets here. So now line up the hole, get that stuck in there. Now you could find generic clips too, like not necessarily pop rivet ones, just other style that'll probably work. But I just want to use the same kind here. So now here's the thing, you do need a rivet gun for these, which I do have this rivet gun, but this is made for aluminum rivets and all that. It may work for plastic rivets too like this, except problem I have is none of them will fit. So yeah, too big. And the extra ones, those are all smaller, so I don't have one that'll fit. But don't worry, if you don't have a rivet gun, you can do these manually. It's actually not that hard. Basically, you'll want something to kind of hold it in place and give you a little prying point. So then grab the pliers. And just start pulling away. Okay, and you just want to pull it, as you can see there, you know, I'll show you a little bit better. It's hard to see, but there's a little like threaded portion, and that threaded portion is what grips. So once that threaded portion right here gets to the head, you know it's a solid grip, and hopefully you can kind of see, you can see the threads. And because we don't have a proper rivet gun, obviously this one broke off a little bit off. If you have a real rivet gun, it should break off flush, but you know, you can just grab a pair of pliers like this and cut the excess off. But that is on there solid. That's good. So now we just got to do the rest. Okay, got the last one in, and this specific molding has 4 of these pop rivets, but as you can see, got them all in. No plastic pop rivet tool, so you can do this easily yourself too. And there you have it, how to reinstall the plastic moldings on a Jeep Liberty. Now, some other moldings may have other clips, like this set includes these, so I'm assuming one of these somewhere used this style clip, which these are pretty simple to use. If you have this style, you just stick it in and literally just snap it like that. As you saw, that spread that out and that locks it in. So that's how you use these clips. But one of these kits, again, this is 55 piece. This will take care of several moldings for you. I only had one I need to reinstall. So now I have these extras that if I ever need them, it's always good to have these fasteners because a lot of them can be used universally. They're not just specifically for like this Jeep Liberty molding, especially ones like this. There's so many vehicles that use this clip. So it's just good to have these on hand anyway. Plus extra is nice because like these plastic rivet ones, I did mess up a couple since I didn't have a plastic rivet tool. So there was a couple that I kind of didn't quite get right and messed up. So if you end up messing them up, you got extras. But yeah, again, this kit cost me like 10 bucks off Amazon. So link will be down in the description below. But hope that helped. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you out on the road. Or as I usually say on this channel, see you at the drag strip. Just not in this Liberty.